Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to make a leave button in Roblox Studio. So firstly, we'll open Roblox Studios, then go to My Games. Now open up the game we want to add a leave button into. So I'll head into my test game to test it out. Now let the game load. After the game loads, we will search for a leave button in the toolbox. So let's head to the toolbox. Under the model section, we'll search for leave button, then hit enter. Now we can either add a GUI button or a physical button. So I'll just add a physical button in this video. Just click on OK. Now the physical button has been imported into the game. Now if we load the game, you can see it in action. So here is the button. In order to leave the game without pressing escape then clicking on leave, we can just step on this black block and we'll be kicked out of the game. Just like this. So this is how you can add a leave button into your Roblox game. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.